Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. The monthly incomes of Amit and Bharat are in the ratio 5:4. Their monthly expenses are in the ratio 19:21. Okay. So we have Amit and Bharat. Okay. And the monthly incomes are in the ratio 5:4. So let's say income is in the ratio 5:4. So we can write 5x and 4x. Right. And the monthly expenses are in the ratio 19:21. Okay. So let's say 19y, 21y. And their monthly savings are in the ratio of 37:18. 37z, 18z. Okay. If the total annual savings of Amit and Bharat is 1,32,000, Amit's monthly income is what? So it is given the total annual savings of, because this is ratio, okay, we can directly write 37z plus 18z equals to 132. Okay. Okay. And now because we need to calculate the monthly income, we'll divide this by 12. So later on there won't be any confusion. Okay. So this is 12, 11,000. Okay. So 37z plus 18z, we have 55z equals to 11,000. So 11,5, 11,1 and 5,200. So from here we see the value of z is 200. Now what? We have got the value of z and we have two more variables x and y, and that is the information given in the question. So what step should we do next? So if you see here the three components that we have: income, expense and savings. Okay. So if we add expenses and savings, this should be equals to income, right? So using this we can write 5x. Income of Amit is 19y plus 37z. Right? Total income equals to expenses plus savings. Similarly for Bharat we can write 4x equals to 21y plus 18z. So we have two equations and two unknowns. The value of z we already know, two equations and two unknowns. So we can get the value of x and y, and then we can get the monthly income of Amit, which is equals to 5x. Okay. So to solve these equations, let's see. If here we have 5 and 4, so if we multiply this equation by 4 and this equation by 5, so x will get cancelled. Okay. So if we multiply and then subtract, then we'll have 20x minus 20x equals to 0. Okay. And 21 5 ja 105, 19 4 ja 76. So here we have 29 y, and here we have 18 5 and 37 4, 148, and we have 58. So from here we see y equals to 2z. Okay. And the value of z is 200, so value of y is 400. Okay. So we know the value of y and z. We can easily calculate Amit's income, which is equals to 5x. Okay. So Amit's income is 5x monthly income. So because we have divided this number initially by 12, so all these figures we are getting in months. So 5x equals to 19y plus 37z. Okay. So 19y, which is 19 into 400, 7600, and 37z. So z is 200, 37 to the 74. So this is 15,000. Okay. So the answer is 15,000. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.